part of our estate planning binder that we give for clients, there's a section towards the back that we encourage our clients to fill out and then update once a year. And the type of information we want to be placed in there are advisor information. So for example, the name and phone number of that person's attorney, accountant, financial planner, banker. We also want to put down all of our assets. So for example, if you have a Wells Fargo account, make sure you list Wells Fargo one account, the phone number to the branch that you use. Or if you have multiple IRAs, we want to list how many IRAs you have and who is the current custodian of those IRAs, along with a phone number to reach them. Another thing that people forget about is we think about assets sometimes when we're doing estate planning, but we also want to list all of our debts as well. So for example, credit cards. You can make sure that you write down that you have a Chase credit card ending in 1234. You don't even have to do the full credit card number in that document. But we do want you to flip the card over, look at the phone number that says, who to contact for things. Write that phone number down as well. That way, whoever is picking up that book next to help you has all of the information that they need to go down and collect your assets, deal with your creditors as well, make sure they're canceling things. So for example, utility companies. If you have your utility and trash companies listed down, the contact information for those companies, it's going to be much easier for someone to start making those phone calls. Write down who your cell phone contract is with. Maybe it's Verizon or AT&T. Make sure somebody knows where that is so they can easily call and close down that account once you have passed away. Same thing with all of those pesky little passwords we have for everything. You should also write your passwords down for your computer and different sites that you have access to so that someone can go in and now be able to access that information all in one place, in one easy document that they can have, so that they're not looking through boxes all through your house or where you store important paperwork in your kitchen and in your dining room and in your office. If you make it easy for them, they will appreciate that assistance so much. So if you have your own estate planning binder, make sure even on an Excel spreadsheet that you print out or on a piece of paper that you start writing out all of this information, put it in that important document paperwork, and then just make sure that you're looking at it once a year to update it. That could literally take you 10 or 15 minutes. Just make sure, do I have any new assets that I've acquired? Do I have any new credit cards that I have? Have I changed my accountant, for example, and I need to update that advisor information? And also update your password lists. It'll be really, really, really good for the people that you leave behind to make it much easier for them rather than trying to recreate everything that you have.